How to contact Air New Zealand support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact Air New Zealand support. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Air New Zealand account, just like I've done here. And then on the home page, just below the logo, you can see some options like some tabs like plan, book, hair point, help. You just click on the help section and then you take into the help page where you see a number of assistance being rendered. So on this page, you have the option for you to select articles related to the issue that you're facing and then select the topics based on the issue that you're facing, and articles that have addressed this issue would be displayed to you. All right. The other option is for you to chat with the digital assistants via the chat box, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then the next option is for you to make use of your live chat, like this chat live with a customer support. All right. So you can easily get help from this customer care team by using the live chat. And then if you still need help, you have the option for you to call, you have the option to make use of the feedback form, you have the option to chat with Air New Zealand on Facebook Messenger as well as on WhatsApp. So make use of any of these platforms to reach out to the customer care and you definitely get a response to whatever issue you're facing on Air New Zealand. So you can see how cool New Zealand is in responding to your inquiries. So ensure you make use of this feature and get answers to your questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.